I want to welcome to the show now Steve Peasley, host of Invest Talk, which is heard every Saturday here at 7 at Talk Radio 790 KABC. Steve, welcome to the show. How are you?
Thanks for having me. I'm surviving. Let's put it that way.
And that's about the best can be said right now. As of now, the Dow's down 215, which these days isn't so bad. But of course, watching the Dow on a daily basis will make anybody sick. But that's not really the sum total of the economy, is it?
No, it's not. And that we have extreme volatility in the stock market right now for the last several months, last year even. This is very unusual. The economy is going to get worse, not better. I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but it is just going to get worse. The question everybody should ask themselves is, has the stock market built into the prices that possibility? And that no one knows.
The real issue for me, of course, we just got these terrible retail sales figures yesterday with a 2.8% drop, which was apparently the worst in recorded history for a single reporting quarter and a period, and the loss of jobs. Because what I've been saying for a long time, Steve, is we talk about the bubble in the housing market bursting because of Freddie Mac and Fannie Mae, but the reality is that when you see job loss, you see people who didn't overbuy homes, who can afford homes, lose homes.
That means that they're going to have trouble paying their mortgages. Not just the people that got carried away with overbuying and not making enough money, buying a house they couldn't afford, and all the banks involved in that. But you're going to start seeing regular citizens not be able to make their mortgage because we are going into an economic slump.
And there's also, you always have to look for, the dominoes start clicking when you get into this cycle. The next real bubble that could burst is the credit card market, the personal credit market. What are you hearing in that area?
I hear that the delinquency rate will be rising and rising sharply because of the fact that people were using their credit cards to try to stay in their houses.
They've been using their credit cards like crazy, and the credit card debt, it's my understanding, has also been bundled and resold just like the bad mortgages.
Yep, it has. Now, I don't want to be doom and gloom. There is some light at the end of the tunnel here. I don't want everybody to think that the world is just falling apart, and I don't want to be Chicken Little. It is going to be bad. We will survive this. And if you're looking for any ray of sunshine, housing sales in California are starting to pick up.
All right, and we can hear Steve every Saturday morning at 7 a.m. right here on Talk Radio 790 KBC, the host of Invest Talk. Thanks for being with us, Steve. Appreciate it.
Thanks for having me.
Okay, when we come back, we're going to get you a fire update.